Good afternoon, my friend. Today's story is about a train. And not just a normal train. It is about mistakes, noise, and sleeping in the wrong place. It was Sunday morning. I wanted to visit my cousin. He lived in another city. So I decided, let's take the train. Easy and cheap. I went to the station. So many people. Some running, some eating snacks, some carrying huge bags. I stood in line. The man in front of me bought 3 tickets. The woman behind me sneezed. Finally, it was my turn. The clerk asked, "Where to?" I answered, "River City, please." He gave me a ticket. I said, "Thank you." But when I looked carefully, oh no, it said, River Station, not River City. Different place. But too late. The train was coming. I ran to the platform. The whistle blew. The doors opened. People rushed in. I found my seat. Or, at least, I thought it was my seat. A man was already sitting there. We checked tickets. Same seat number. We looked at each other. Finally, we realized I was in the wrong car. Oops. I moved to the next car. Yes. My seat was empty. I sat down. I relaxed. But my neighbors were interesting. On my left, a baby. Cute face. After 5 minutes, wah. Loud. On my right, a man eating chips. Crunch. 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 Behind me, 2 teenagers listening to music. Very loud. In front of me, an old man snoring. Like a tractor. I thought, why me? Why today? I was hungry. I opened my bag. Found a chocolate bar. I smiled. But, oops. It broke. Chocolate fell on my pants and floor. The baby saw, pointed, then cried louder. His mom looked angry. I tried to clean with a napkin. My pants looked dirty. Great. After 1 hour, the speaker said, "Next stop, River Station." I thought, wait, River Station? Not River City. I looked at my ticket. Yes. Wrong place. I had no choice. I got off. The station was small. Only 1 shop and 1 cat. I called my cousin. I am not in River City. I am in River Station. He laughed. Good job. 40 kilometers away. I sighed. Sat on a bench. Waited. Finally, a new train arrived. I bought the correct ticket. Found the correct seat. No babies. No music. No chips. Only peace. I arrived in River City. My cousin waved. How was the trip? I said, easy. Very easy. But inside, never again. Lesson of the day, always double-check your ticket. Always choose snacks carefully. Always bring earphones. The end.